Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create image comparison slider on our GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so you can see this example. Okay, we have images where we have after and before view of this image by sliding this arrow. Okay, so this is very useful when we have images or product that have the before and after view, and you want to show this like this way. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this. Okay, so I have already just added this content into the blank page, and here in this area we are going to add our code snippet. Okay, so let me show you how we can do. Okay, so first of all, we will upload our images here. Okay, so let me do this. We will upload two images. The first one is the before, and then second one is the after image. Okay, so let me upload both of them. Stop. Yeah, I have two images. Yeah, so let them upload it. Yes, where is it? Okay, so okay. Here is another one. Okay, and now we are going to grab the code snippet. The code snippet is very simple code snippet. You don't need to make any adjustment if you like the default view, or if you want to make the change, then you may need. Okay, but we recommend you to just replace the image link, otherwise everything is already fine and working. Okay, so let me add this at the top. Okay, and then I will put the code snippet here. Okay, now we'll put this image link. Okay, this is our first image. Okay, I just copied the link of this image, and then I will delete this image. Okay, I will go back to the code, and here is the placeholder where I just need to put the image. Okay, where is it? Just I added the first image, and the same way I will add the second image. Okay, I just copied the link of that image, and I will delete this image, and I'll go back to the code editor. I'll replace the second image. Okay, that's it. Okay, we don't need any other changes. Okay, let me save it. If everything goes well, then we should have the compare slider. Okay, let me preview. As I said, it's pretty simple. Yeah, now you can see here. Yeah, here is the after, and here is the before. And you can also sense the image. Okay, like if I want to show this image as the after image, then we can also do that. Let me just change the image. Okay, where is it? The before image and the after image. Okay, so let me save it again. Okay, in this code snippet, all you just need to replace your image. Okay, now you can see here, this is the before view and this is the after view. Okay, so when the page load, it will show looks like this. Okay, you can see here. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel. And also if you have any other questions or any other code requests, then you can also make a comment. We will try our best to reply. Okay, and also one more thing I want to show. Okay, you can also join our GHL SaasKits community. It's completely free. Okay, here you will get all the updates and everything, the new code snippets, tips, tricks, and all other information that we are sharing with our customer and our user. Okay, and you can also get the link for your code snippet premium version from here. Okay, and also if you like to have the chat GPT bot and so many things we have, if you like to check, then you can also get it the link from here. Okay, and also you will get the link of our premium GHL code snippet library at the description of this video. Okay, so thank you very much, have a nice day.